Find a step-by-step plan to supercharge your body and boost your immune system. Hello, and good day, incredible, lovely viewers. Welcome back to our Jewels Moment, Wellness Warriors. Vibrant balance and astute inspire channels. Ready to gain time, energy, and distraction-free life? Our immune system affects many illnesses and facets of our existence. Do you realize that regulating nutrition, sleep, and stress may boost our bodies? Many concentrate on fundamental routines, yet hidden nutrients may fight illnesses and sickness. Time to change and improve immunity. Living a healthy lifestyle enhances and maintains our immune system. Maintaining health and immunity requires a lifestyle, not simply good behaviors during sickness. The most startling immunological findings frequently include food and nutrition. Some nutrients defend against infections. Consuming fruits, vegetables, and necessary nutrients boost the immune system. Have you ever considered e-device addiction? The unanticipated consequences of technology on behavior, especially dopamine stimulation, may affect our health. Knowing this is vital. Understanding and improving our immune system is essential to fighting sickness. Our detailed guide provides answers and concrete approaches. The 10-part training course, Supercharge Your Body, a step-by-step immune system booster, will boost your health. Download and play these home video lessons. There's more. A point-by-point checklist, cheat sheet with over 50 resources, and mind map will help you study. Ready to fortify your body? For fast access, click the link in our description or our pinned comment below. This tutorial includes immunity basics, workouts, and immune-boosting dishes. Use this opportunity to energize your body. Click the link and let's start your healthier, more energetic adventure. Please like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell if you liked today's video. Watch for our newest financial, health, and wellness insights. We value your confidence and support. Best wishes on your health and happiness path. Take care, enjoy life, be positive, and be healthy till next time.